Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases and I am yet again excited. Excited. We have some new exclusive art that y'all haven't seen yet and I'm excited about it. We have some mixed metal that you haven't seen yet. We have the freebies for next month and then just some reminders and things. So let's get into the reminders and things first before I also forget them. This is going to be the last week to pick up the May mystery add-ons, and then we're going to be moving into the June mystery add-ons, which that mystery will be shipping this week that you are seeing this video. I'm like thinking about it. Yes, it'll be this week that you're seeing this video that this will be shipping. So, well, the next month mystery should be shipping. So last time to pick up those. Also, the first is this week, and unlike last month where I forgot to show you the freebies, I'm not going to do that this month. So, freebies for the month of June. Dang, is it June already? I guess so. We have the all orders freebie. So this is like a Mario theme. You have your card, you got your back of your card, and you got 4 pieces of a random foil in there. $75 plus is it's like a glitter rainbow doodle too. Super cute, very usable. $150 freebie is always a foil bundle, and then the $300 freebie is always a random ultimate kit. So those are the freebies. Those will start on June 1st. We do have a new doodle color for this week. It goes perfectly with the new exclusive art, but with so much more, and it is black glitter. So pretty. Very useful, goes with so much, but specifically releasing this week because I think it goes really well. It actually I pulled the glitter from it with the new exclusive art, and the glitter black hair is so fun. So if you don't know, this is on special pricing, as well as the foil bundles are all on a little bit of a sale from Wednesday through Sunday, along with I always have a flash sale going. If you're watching this on Monday, the flash sale from last week is probably still happening. I'm filming this very early, so my weeks just are blending together. But last week's flash sale, I believe, was core misfit foil bundles. The new foil bundles for this week, though, are kind of epic. They are mixed metal foil bundles, and they are the new pixie dust, and they're kind of epic. This is a combo I've never used before. This is sparkly red and sparkly hollow, which I think would be really fun for like the 4th of July. But I was also thinking would be really good for Valentine's Day, would also be really good for like Lunar New Year. I know a lot of those kits have sparkly red in them, and it would also be really good for Christmas time. So this is in pixie dust. It'll go with so much because it's a really like, I don't know, like neutral kind of vibe. I feel like this would go with the these two kits, so the new exclusive and this kit here with the like red in this. I think I'm going to use that with that. But yeah, obsessed with this. It is the new pixie dust format, like I said, in the mixed metal. I also have another mixed metal coming because I was just like, I think this will also go good with all of the kits this week, actually. And this one here is the Lavender Hollow, regular hollow. Very pretty, right? Very pretty. And this will go with, again, so many different collections, but I thought it would look good with all of the collections I'm releasing this week. So if you're not familiar with the format, you have your 6 full boxes and your glitter header overlays, your underlays, which are so pretty in the mixed metal. I love Lavender Hollow and Hollow together. It's just so fabulous. And the new, look how cute they look mixed metaled. So cute. Love every little bit of it. So we have those. And again, those will be on special pricing. I have a feeling these will probably eventually sell out. So maybe pick up a couple extra to have on hand. Then let's go into the kits for this week. So first kit here, we do have Tropical Paradise. A lot of people were asking if I'm going to be using this art. And I am. I really like the colors of it. It's very fun and summery. And I like a Kindle, and I liked her booty. So here we are. Love the yellow in this. Love the blue in this. Love the pink in this. I love just about everything about this. I think foil options are going to be very like unlimited with this one. I feel like this would go really nice with it. A sparkly hollow. You could do silver, you could do gold, you could do a mixed metal of them both. The freebie and the ultimate in the mini is the different skin tones for that box right there. But I feel like there's lots and lots of options. You could go blue, you could go hollows, you could go silver, you could go sparkly orange, you could do sparkly green. You could do a mixture of things, but I think it would be really fun with this one. I think it would be a vibe. So that is my suggestion there. It also comes in a mini kit, as do all of the kits this week. And then let's get on to the add-ons. So you do have the Doodle. You have the Doodle 2. There is also fashion options. There's fashion 1 and 2. And then you can just like use dolphin, and whichever one you want, they'll all work out. That it'll be a double box, or you could just use the dolphin if you want. Then there is also label, ombre, pattern boxes. There is all 6 of the normal scribblers, such cute colors. And then there is also all of the fam options, and they are so dang cute. And that, my friends, is Tropical Paradise. I think it's a fabulous, perfect anytime summer collection. Then let's move into this one. This is a little bit older art, but I was like, you know what? I never used it. Let's go ahead and give her a go. And this is American Babe. It is the pastel version. And I think it turned out so stinking cute. I love the colors. I love the addition of like the purple. And I like, there was 2 different like scenes in here. There was like a dark one with the fireworks and then a light one. And then I just kind of like overlaid it on the top and like did some movie magic, you know what I mean? I also love the ices because I am a big fan of slushies / ices. But I think this turned out really cute, right? I love the like light gray. Again, I think this would look really good with this one here because there is like that purple in there. It's like a perfect combo. But I think it also could be cute. Let me show you the full boxes because there is like, this is like the like lighter of the like pink colors, but there's also like this red that I think that this could also really work out with this one as well. And I think would be very, very fun. You have your grass backgrounds in there as well. You have some plaid, you have some stars. I think we do actually have, I don't know if it's lavender hollow and regular hollow or lavender hollow. I think it's lavender hollow, sparkly hollow in the star mixed metal. I think that'd be really fun with this as well. Extra box there. And then the freebie and the ultimate and mini is another option for your fashion box there. Super stinking cute. Perfect for the 4th of July. Very cute. And I also love the Crocs because I am a Crocs girl. So that is the ultimate kit. And then there is the mini. And then as far as add-ons go, you do have the Doodle. You have Doodle 2. You have Label as well as Label 2, which is that purple color, which is very fun. You also have the ombre and the pattern boxes along with all 6 of the scribbler options for that one. And again, that is called American Babe. Now, what you all been waiting for. I haven't released exclusive art that wasn't a Pop Mystery and Shop for a minute, and I guess besides the 10-year. But this one was requested by our lovely Rosie, and this is like my childhood when Nick and I had started dating. This was like my like whole aesthetic. And Nick's aesthetic. So this one is for all y'all who indulged in the emo punk scene aesthetic, because that was me. This is exclusive art by the one, the only, the amazing Kittenish Jess. And I love the MySpace. That's where me and Nick started talking. Well, MySpace and AIM. And I just am obsessed with all of these. Jess was like, what kind of CDs do we need in there? Got them on. I also love that it's yellow card on the little iPod, which, fun fact, I had an iPod Nano. That's what it is, right? And it got stolen. And I was very, very upset about it. But I love everything about this. Love the CD player, the studded belt, the room, the outfit. I'm just obsessed. And I love this like bluish indigo color. And they have like the hair coloring tools, the like extensions. Ugh, I'm so obsessed. You have more boxes here, flat lay boxes. Freebie and Ultimate and Mini is the alternate skin tones for this one. I love the chip nail polish, the Warped Tour band, the Hot Topic, the digital camera that I feel like we all had, straightener, those glasses, Maybelline Matte Dream Mousse. You also have that faux black glitter throughout, which I think is really fun with this. The patterns are really cool as well. I think the punk bundle would be really fun with this one, the sparkly black one. But again, I even think that this with the pops of red could be fun as well. You have your bottom washi here, and then like I said, you have the freebie and the ultimate and mini. I hope you like this kit because I'm obsessed with it. I kind of want to use it for my anniversary because, like I said, this was mine and Nick's energy whenever we first started dating. Probably the first like 4 years of our relationship was very emo scene heavy, so I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Let's go ahead and go into the add-ons because there are quite a few. You have the Doodle, you have Doodle 2. Then you also do have the fashion, which is like this fashion person along with like a little away message on AIM, which I think is so cute. Then we also have the label sampler, but we also do have label 2, 3, and 4. So there's a lot of different colors. You can kind of switch it up. You can use this kit multiple times and get a different vibe. Whatever you want to do, I think they're all fabulous. Then you also have ombre as well as the pattern boxes, which Hannah has a bunch of like, I don't remember what they're called. She'll let you know in the comments down below, but they're like emo kid quote boxes that I think it's the number 1. That's like all the quotes that I picked. They're just so good and so cute. And then we also do have fams. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And come on, it's just perfect. There's nothing more perfect like out there. It's just, this is it. This is the cutest emo kit that you're ever going to see. And I love it. And I think that I'm definitely going to be using it multiple times in my future. So I will need to bring home some extras. So that's everything for this week. I hope that you like this week's new releases. Again, mystery reveal will be going up this week, along with it will be shipping this week, which is very, very exciting. So again, don't forget to pick up your add-ons if you wanted any of those. And also don't forget that I think on Saturday is the 1st, those will change. Special pricing on these, whatever the flash sale is going to be. I always try to put it in the new release section so that you're in the loop with me. And that is everything for this week. Again, hope you like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you in my next video.